Are my hands gonna freeze up?
No idea. Say when it feels stiff enough. I have no idea how much.
Wait.
Something's happening.
Yeah. It's getting cold.
Yeah, we need more.
Yeah.
No boiling sounds. So.
Now it's boiling. It's getting very cold. But it's also stiffening up, eh?
I guess if we put too much nitrogen,
That's
it's
it.
not,
No,
it's
no,
not
no.
a problem.
No, that's solidifying.
We just have to.
Okay, it's iced.
Yeah, it looks a bit like ice cream.